This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Deb Kawleski. Fully furnished Lake Sherwood 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is nestled amongst towering white pines. Maintenance-free vinyl siding, metal roof. Cathedral wood ceilings and nice mix of wood and drywall. Open concept captures the great view of Sherwood with southern exposure. Lower level is finished with family room, wet bar and 2 bedrooms, full bath and laundry. Walk out to nice patio and 72 feet of frontage, all rip-wrapped, and nice walk-in sand area for swimming. Comes complete with pier. Storage shed. Completely turnkey property. Still time to enjoy the warm weather and the lake. For more information, review the details below or contact Deb Kawleski at 715-340